Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Gyaani and in this series of videos I am solving Hackerrank Python challenges. So our today's challenge is itatools.combinations with his placement. Previously I have done a video on itatools.combinations. I will drop that link in the description box. So today's challenge is to print all the possible size k replacement combinations of the string in lexicographic sorted order, means alphabetical order. Okay, our input format will be a single line containing string and a integer value k separated by a space. Our sample input is hack space 2. Okay, so means AA, AC, AH, AK and so on. Okay, so let's start coding here. First of all, let's take our input of s and k is equals to input dot split. Okay, here we have k as an string, so let's wrap that string into an integer. Okay, now for I in list of, okay, let's first import our modules. Okay, so from itatools import combinations with replacement. Okay, so from list, so for I in list combinations with replacement of sorted s and k. Here I am using sorted s because we want our final result to be in a lexicographic order. Okay, so now just let's print that out. So print dot join and just passing I here. Let's run our code and see what we get. Here our sample test case 0 is successfully run. So let's submit our code. Here our all 6 cases is successfully run. If you like this video, then don't forget to click like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to receive our latest video updates. And if you want to see my source code, the link is in the description box below. Thank you.